first time spear diving. The actual, you got all the dive equipment.
Spearfishing with scuba.
With scuba and with guns.
Oh wow. Oh.
Look at that pig.
This one's huge.
Oh.
I had grown up freediving as a kid, but nothing more than 10 to 15 feet of water. And now I'm going to learn my basics of scuba by diving some springs in some 20 feet, 30 foot holes to practice equalization and being able to get down to greater depth. And then I went down for my second practice dive in a big 100-foot deep hole in a spring as well. This was also a wild dive. It was a cave dive. The hole is about, I would say, 10 to 15 feet wide when you first go down, and then it funnels to get even skinnier and skinnier as you get towards the bottom. After those two practice dives, I felt confident enough to get on the reef and do some real diving.
Alright, we out here. Just leaving the ramp. Yes, sir. First time spear diving. The actual, you got all the dive equipment.
Spearfishing with scuba.
With scuba and with guns. Instead of like just a stick. Yeah! Out the inlet!
It didn't take Garrett and I long to find some good structure.
Alright, we are all geared up. Get the GoPros, get the weapons, and we are going down on this artificial reef. About 40 feet of water, 30 feet of water. Not too deep, but you're still close to land, as you can see. And we're gonna go check it out. Try to get a hogfish.
When you first shoot a fish down there for the first time, it is absolutely exhilarating just because of how much prep work and training you have to do just to get down there.
Shot the first fish. Got a couple little keepers in the cooler. Not bad, eh? Not a bad start though. So we're going down to round 2. Trying to get something big for the cooler.
It was a fantastic, beautiful day on the water. I had a ton of fun, even though we didn't shoot any huge trophies. It was still an incredible experience that I highly recommend getting into if you can. As always, guys, I really appreciate it if you like, comment, and subscribe to the Florida Bass TV. And until next time, stay tuned.